We start with weekly chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And based on weekly, we're looking at this one as a running flat. That's mean if we get any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it. And we're looking for the reversal. This is what I'm looking for. All right. In the bigger picture and as a long term. Anyway, if we move to daily chart, as I mentioned, we're looking at this correction relative to this. Any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And based on daily chart, we can look for 38 following by 43 cent as a targets. And this is what we're looking for at the short term. And mostly we want to see the breakout of this. And by the way, based on daily chart, we don't have any trade set up for buy. And even if we move to lower time frame, we move to forward chart, we have been looking for buy. This is what we get. And we can look for continuation, and based on forward chart, you want to see whether the price can break the previous top or not. That's mean the 35 cent at least. But the only thing is we have to see the breakout of this one to confirm we are out of this, and we can look for continuation. If the price couldn't break the previous top, which is somewhere around 0. Almost 30 cent, then we can expect even this one turn to flat for the next drop before we see the reversal. We are not looking for this option, but we need to be careful if we want to look for buy. That means if we want to look for the next trade, we have to see the breakout of the previous top before we take the next trade. By the way, we don't have any trade set up for buy. We have to wait for the flag or correction before we take the next trade. And the best things is if we could get the trade based on 1 hour chart. All right. First things for those traders, they get the trade for buy within this one, book some profit or move their stop loss to break even. And for me, if I want to look for a trade, either I wait for the deeper correction before I see the next trade, or I see the breakout of the previous top as a sharp move flag, I take the trade. That's mean at this point, if I see the flag, it depends on the traders, but I'm not really interested to look for flag as long as the price haven't break the previous top. That's why if the price couldn't break break the previous top, I wait for the deeper correction before I take the next trade. But if the price broke the previous top, following by flag, this is what I prefer. Okay. Anyway, still we can look for buy. Actually, as what I explained based on daily chart, I'm looking for buy. I'm looking for continuation. And this is the target I'm looking for, 38 following by 43. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.